Hi friends, can Emily learn to be more careful? Have you ever made a mistake that caused trouble for others? Do you think it's possible to make things right? This is a wonderful story about Emily, a cheerful little girl who learns how important it is to be kind and careful. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green meadows, there lived a happy little girl named Emily. She had a cozy house with her parents and a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers. Emily's favorite thing to do was to skip through the garden, picking flowers to make lovely little bouquets. One sunny morning, Emily's mom surprised her with a gift. "Here, Emily," she said, holding out a small woven basket. "This is for you to carry all the flowers you pick." Emily's eyes lit up with joy. "Thank you, Mommy," she said, hugging her mom tightly. She couldn't wait to try it out. With her new basket in hand, Emily dashed outside to the meadow. She filled her basket with bright yellow daisies, purple violets, and soft pink roses. She was so excited about her flowers that she didn't notice what was happening around her. First, she ran past her friend Mia, who was carefully planting seeds in her garden. Emily accidentally knocked over Mia's bag of seeds, spilling them all over the ground. "Emily, I worked so hard to collect those seeds," Mia said, looking upset. "I'm so sorry." "Mia, I didn't see them," Emily replied, but she quickly ran off again. Next, Emily zoomed through the meadow and didn't see Lucas, who was building a little wooden fence for his vegetable patch. Emily accidentally bumped into the fence, knocking part of it over. "Emily," Lucas exclaimed, "I spent hours building this." Emily froze for a moment, but then said, "I didn't mean to." "I'm sorry, Lucas." And off she went. Finally, Emily skipped across the meadow and tripped over Lily's picnic blanket. All of Lily's snacks and drinks spilled onto the grass. "Emily, you scared me," Lily shouted, jumping up. "Oh no, I'm really sorry, Lily," Emily said, but this time, she felt very sad. That evening, Mia, Lucas, and Lily came to Emily's house to talk to her parents about what had happened. Emily sat nearby, her head hanging low. "I didn't mean to hurt anyone," Emily said quietly. "I was just so excited." Her mom placed a hand on her shoulder and said, "Emily, being excited is wonderful, but you need to pay attention to how your actions affect others." Emily realized her mom was right. She stood up and said, "I'll make it up to all of you." The next day, Emily helped Mia collect new seeds for her garden. Then, she spent hours fixing Lucas's fence, making it stronger than before. Finally, she helped Lily clean up her picnic spot and even packed new snacks for her. Her friends smiled and hugged her. "Thank you, Emily. We forgive you," they said. From that day on, Emily made sure to look around and be more careful when she played. She still loved picking flowers and running through the meadow, but now she always kept her friends in mind. What did you learn? Emily's story reminds us that even when we make mistakes, we can always make things better with kindness and effort. What would you do if you were Emily? Don't forget to like this story, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more bedtime stories and kids stories. See you next time.